Keras. Predict on model after learning sentiment data throws errors. My problem is in getting results through predict method in Keras using TensorFlow backend. But first a small introduction. I am using Python the 2nd of July 2012, Keras == 1.2.1, NumPy == 1.12.0, TensorFlow == 0.12.1. I created a convolutional neural network like in these documentation, this URL. I trained the network with 11,842 prepared Twitter texts. The only individual change is that I have 3 possibilities for a result, 0, 1, 2. I defined that in following code line. So the method fit works without a problem and I am achieving between 88 to 92% AC. After the learning process I saved the model in H5 format, also works fine. Now I try to load the models and predict with them. First example, trained_model, is done via the same data I used to train, because I wanted to compare them. The second example, trained_model_2, is done via new Twitter texts I collected earlier. For comparing the training dataset with the live, new dataset. Print data_train.shape hash, 11,842, 1000. Print data_predict.shape hash, 46,962, 1000. Also both are from type =in32. Following code line raises the first error. Invalid argument error, see above for traceback. Indices 0,999 equals 13,608 is not in, 0, 13,480. Noder_1 equals gathered indices equals dt_in32, params equals dt_float, validate_indices equals true, break time equals ones, greater than _rif_input_1_1_1_0. Edit. Source code of the methods I created. Method train module is only used for training the network, save it. The method predict_sentiment is used for my predict tests. The first prediction_results works and returns a NumPy array with following shape, 11,842 3 code, paste bin. The whole error output, paste bin. If some additional information is needed, I will update the question.
The problem was the trained model can't find the word in the embedding matrix. That means I used a different vocabulary for training and prediction. Because of the fixed vocabulary I need the same vocabulary for train and new data. In general I only had to fix the tokenizer from two.
Maybe it tried to access a list of 0, 13,480, with the index 13,608, which obviously will not work. Someone else had also a similar issue. This URL, it seems he tried to access a vocabulary, 0, 10,000, with the index of 10,535.
If you want the same wording, click on the seguir subscribing.